Aside from tartar sauce, what's your favorite fish sandwich topping? It's fish sandwich season, and I think the cilantro lime slaw is my favorite so far. The possibilities are endless. But regardless, I know if it's got my crispy light beer batter on it, it's gonna be a smash. 3/4 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of potato starch, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Whisk in 1 1/3 of a cup of light beer and then place it in the fridge for at least 10 minutes. The batter will thicken up for you. You're gonna drop it into 350-degree peanut oil for 4 minutes. I just use salt if it's a sandwich, but if it's the red snapper nuggets, I go a little heavier with the Julie Bakes umami seasoning. Regardless of how you're gonna use this beer batter, it's one you need to try ASAP.